Now, you call her 5 Ghana names and 5 Igbo names. And today you go choke. It's an assignment for you, and you need to do it. Please, Chloe, if this name no choke, no move. If you choke, you move. If you not choke, stay for there. Now, please, audience, please look at them. Look at them now. Make sure say all the name where you call will choke. Make sure say the name will touch you for your chest. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go. Audience, please listen to him. Are you ready to do this? Call her sweet names. Okay, don't know Igbo. You are going to give us at least one. Yes. But start with Ghana language. Add English too. Let's go. Hey! Oh my God. Ghana Ababa. Ghana Ababa. Ghana Ababa. Thank you. You don't touch you. If you touch you, shake your body now. Let's go again. Megafupa. No, what's the one? Megafupa. Megafupa. Move. Oh my God. Give us. Odoyewu. Is that I say Odoyewu? I give a many times. Very cool. Come now, if the name they touch you, they move, they come small. Give them another name, sweet name, English name. Makuma Mutope. Ghana Fiber. Let's see you talk again. I know you again. The coffee of your heart. You don't mean it. That should be your heart. Move closer. Give them English. My sweet chocolate. I don't want to clap for them now. Clap for them. Give them the one who will make her she go jump, fly, come meet you. I tell people women are the salt of the world. Without women, life no go sweet. Women no be so. If you love your wife, do transfer now, no. You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. Let's go. Give her another name. William Mama. Alright, this one from there, she reach here. William, only one. This one, I give him final one. My lovely wife, please move closer. Hold your wife now.